Hi guys, welcome to Shrisha's kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see how to make puffed rice pudding. You might be wondering, how is this possible? Well, let's see how it is done. Friends, this recipe needs only 4 to 5 ingredients. So the first ingredient is puffed rice. I have took 2 cups of 500 grams of puffed rice. So now let's shift it to a mixer and let's grind it nicely into a smooth powder like this. So now keep this aside. So in another pan, I'm going to add about 3 cups or 750 milliliters of milk. I have boiled this milk and then I'm adding it. Friends, do not switch on the stove right now. So next, we are going to add our powdered puffed rice. Friends, add little by little. And now you could switch on the stove and you can keep the flame on low and mix. Friends, make sure that the lumps are not formed. If you feel like the lumps are formed, you could simply break those with a whisk. Now I'm adding rest of my powdered puffed rice. So let's stir until all our puffed rice powder has been dissolved nicely into the milk. So now it's mixed properly and you can see that the milk is a little bit thicker. So let it boil. So after it starts to boil, it becomes even more thicker. So friends, I am using condensed milk, 150 milliliters of condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk, you can add sugar also. So this is the proportion you must follow. For 1 cup of puffed rice, you can add half a cup of sugar and 2 cups of milk. So once our condensed milk is dissolved, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Friends, if you want, you can add cardamom powder too instead of vanilla essence. So to bring more fun into this dessert, I'm going to add tutti frutti. You could also add nuts of your choice. Friends, you might note the consistency too. It has become thick. It took me about 5 to 6 minutes. It got cooked quickly. So once it's cooled, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. I'm just going to cover the bowl with some butter paper. You could transfer the pudding into any bowl of your choice, or if you're eager like me, you could eat it directly after it's cooled. So once it's cool, let's transfer it into our pudding bowl. Friends, you might see how the tutti frutti adds more color and more richness to this dessert. It's amazing. So friends, with a wet spoon, you can gently smooth the top surface of the pudding and it can go into the fridge for an hour. And then our pudding is ready. So after an hour, look at our pudding. It has become firm. So it will be an easy peasy job to remove the pudding from the container as we had covered it with the butter paper. Look friends, how smoothly it's coming off. Friends, this is an amazing dessert and the tutti frutti adds more crunchiness to this dessert. And I have just decorated with some more tutti frutti and cherry. So let's have a bite. Friends, look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? So friends, look at this spoonful of richness. Yum. Friends, it's amazing and you should definitely try it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.